Hey everyone, welcome back. If the NAB app is stuck on loading screen, first start by checking your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If not possible, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app and make sure to swipe your app away and force close the app. Wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. If that does not help, restart your phone. Then head over to your app store, search for your app, and make sure that the app is fully updated. Older versions may fail to load after server updates. If the issue continues, go ahead and long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store again, search for the app, and reinstall your app. If the issue continues, this usually fixes loading screen problems caused by corrupted files, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.